So far, 2022 has been quite the adventure. A never-ending pandemic, high gas and used car prices, supply chain issues resulting in new car shortages, and inflation driving up the cost of just about everything. Despite that, Turo has still remained profitable. I'll break down how much I made month by month, the adjustments that had to be made to remain profitable, and strategies for the remainder of the year. After the holidays, travel decreases significantly. So January and February are really considered the slow season for Turo. There are a number of things that you can do to still try and maximize your profits during the Turo slow season. I won't go into detail on what those tactics are because I did an entire video that you can check out right here. As a result of the reduction in travel in the early part of the year, in January, I earned $946, and February, $1,505. In March and April, I kept my rates down as spring travel began to pick back up. Now, April brought good news and bad news. April was our highest earning month to date at $3,711. Now, this was mainly due to the fact that our minivan overperformed and had 3 7-day trips back to back. The bad news is when the van came back from one of those extended trips, it was completely trashed. In this case, I did submit for the $250 cleaning fee and did get approved by Turo. When submitting for your cleaning fee reimbursements, make sure you take detailed photographs and include as much detailed information in your reimbursement request as you can. Review the cleaning reimbursement guidelines and align your details with that information. In the example I provided with my minivan, when submitting for my reimbursement, I made sure to call out that the guest left behind dirty diapers and spitted out pistachio shells, which count as bodily fluids and therefore resulted in me getting approved for my cleaning fee reimbursement. If you have other helpful tips for getting approved for reimbursements, please put them down in the comments and remember to hit like and subscribe. In May, I updated my listings, settings, and pricings in anticipation of the peak summer season. If you want details on exactly how to set your rate and set your settings, I'll post a link to my Maximizing Summertime Profits video at the end of this video. Once I made those changes, bookings reduced dramatically, which let me know that there was a lot more price sensitivity in the market due to inflation and other economic factors. So I reduced my daily rates in $5 increments until I saw bookings start to pick back up. I also slightly increased my delivery fee to customer locations and expanded my delivery radius from 5 miles to 20 miles in order to attract more customers. In my area, in June, there were a lot of new hosts and vehicles on the platform. So keeping that competition in mind, I decided to keep my pricing the same. Bookings were steady but not at full capacity, resulting in a total of $3,167 for June. For the remainder of the year, I will continue to adjust my flexibility options in order to maintain a steady stream of rentals, such as offering delivery and reducing the amount of notice required in advance for a booking. What I don't anticipate doing is adding an additional vehicle to the fleet this year due to the increase in used car prices. So the total breakdown for the first half of 2022 totals $15,595. Here's the breakdown across all 3 vehicles. The Mercedes-Benz was the top earner. The Tiguan is the most versatile vehicle in the fleet. I purchased this vehicle for only $7,500. This is exactly the type of vehicle you need to anchor your fleet. Find out why in this video right here.